Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today, we are going to talk about improving the business outcomes and adoption rates of your procurement solutions. My name is Kat Knapp, and I'm the Manager of Product Knowledge and Development in SAP Learning for SAP Procurement Solutions. And I'm here with John.
Thanks, Kat. Hi, my name's John Wagner, and I lead the SAP Preferred Success program for the procurement line of business. We are really happy to be here today to talk to you, and we wanted to talk about SAP Preferred Success and SAP Learning Hub, two offerings that when combined together can help you not only drive your business outcomes, but also maximize the value that you're seeing from your procurement solution. We wanted to kick off today with just a few of the achievements that we've seen when we partner with our customers through these programs. And you can see they range from everything from accelerating your digital transformation to increasing the overall productivity of your workforce. Let's talk first about Preferred Success. What is Preferred Success? Preferred Success is our premium program where we partner with you to drive your specific business outcomes and maximize the value that you're seeing from your procurement solution. What does that mean? Say you want to drive across the United States. You want to go to California. So you know where you want to go. You know you want to drive west, but sometimes just knowing where you want to go and the direction you want to head isn't enough. Everyone's starting from a different location. Everyone has different goals. So maybe you need to get there as quick as possible. Maybe your goal is to take the most scenic route. Maybe you're looking to avoid highways, avoid toll roads. So what are you going to do? First thing you're going to do, take out your phone, bring up your favorite navigation app, and type in where you want to go and what are your goals. Okay, let's say you want to take the most scenic route and you want to get there by avoiding highways. And then out of that will come a prescriptive plan that's going to get you to your destination in exactly the way that you want to get there. And that prescriptive plan is Preferred Success. With Preferred Success, we'll start off and understand where you are today. So how are you using the solution? What features have you adopted? Where do you want to go? What are your specific goals? What do you need to achieve? And then create that prescriptive plan to get you to your destination. And having that, just the plan, destination, that's not enough. We will also be there to partner along the way. And we want to measure our progress and track it along the way to make sure that we are meeting our goals and we're achieving what we set out to together for you to be successful. How are we going to do this? So with Preferred Success, you will have access to exclusive content, expert services, release guidance. So every quarter, we release new features for our customers. But by us understanding exactly how you're using the solution today and what you're trying to achieve, we can provide that prescriptive guidance to show you what features will really maximize the value of your solution. Training programs. So this is something Kat will get into much more detail later on, but with Preferred Success, you get access to SAP's Learning Hub and not only exclusive content, but also access to our demo system called Live Access, where you and your team can get your hands on and try features before bringing them into your solution. And then all of this is quarterbacked by your customer success manager, your named contact, your partner in this journey. So they're going to be there with you, creating that plan, and then tracking it and measuring it every step of the way. And then behind that Preferred Customer Success Manager is the entire Preferred Success global backbone. So this is the exclusive content, experts, and they're going to bring them in as needed based on the specific plan that you created. Some of the business drivers that we typically work with our customers, and like I mentioned earlier, your plan is specific to you. Your needs are unique and no two customers are alike. But these are some very common goals across our customers. Reducing the overall cost of procurement, maximizing spend compliance, automating your procurement process, making it as efficient as possible, increasing overall cash flow. And while these are very common ones, your plan will be specific to you. But with that said, what we found is that many of our customers have very common goals. They're going down the same path. They're on the same journey. So we want to take all of that knowledge and lessons learned and best practices and experiences and be there to guide you to make you as successful as possible. One of the other amazing benefits of Preferred Success is access to our exclusive Preferred Success community. So not only does this have exclusive content and webinars based on topics that are important to you, but this gives you the ability to network with your peers, ask them questions, and learn from their experiences and share your experiences. And all of this will just make your journey more successful. With that said, I'd like to turn it over to Kat, where she's going to talk a little bit more about the SAP Learning Hub and our other learning solutions.
Thanks so much, John. And thanks again, everyone. When we talk about the SAP Learning Hub, you can see here for the edition for SAP Preferred Success, the edition for Procurement and Networks, and of course for our professional edition, which is inclusive of everything. You really get e-learnings and enablement across 10 different learning journeys for SAP Procurement. And you can see some of them listed here: SAP Ariba Contracts, Supplier Management, and Sourcing. Now, what these learning journeys are unique pathways to enablement based on your role per solution. So a business user is going to see a different set of learning recommendations than, say, a consultant would or an administrator would. Now, after you've completed these learning journeys, you are eligible to then go in and attempt a certification. A certification is a recognized official digital badge that you can then present as having solution knowledge and enablement on a specific solution. Once you are certified, you will actually have access then to our Stay Current program to maintain your certification and learn about all of the features coming up in new releases. Now, again, with the subscription to the Learning Hub, it will also include that live access that John was just talking about, where you're able to go into a live system and actually test and play around with different features in the solution itself. Now, another great way to really maximize your use of the SAP Ariba and SAP Procurement solutions is to take advantage of the Ariba Best Practice Center. Now, the Best Practice Center is usually something that I see people taking advantage of roughly about 6 months to a year after they have gone live. And what then happens is you're looking for a new set of suppliers or a new commodity that you want to incorporate into your SAP procurement solution to really maximize that ROI. And what we can actually do in that case is offer the one-on-one coaching that will really help you figure out how to best enable that particular subset of spend into your ROI or into your SAP Ariba solution. The number of hours that you receive for the Best Practice Center does vary by solution, but you will get some included in the order form every time you order an Ariba solution. And finally, another great option is the in-app help that we can offer. This is available in SAP Ariba Sourcing and Guided By. And it's in-context help that is specific to what the user is doing in that moment and also where they are in the world. And you're actually able to go in and customize this content yourself if you'd like to, if you subscribe to the SAP Enable Now solution. Then you can really get down to have your organization's specific content in this in-app help. Of course, we do have services built around this as well. So if you would like partner cloud deployment of your SAP Enable Now to help with that production, it is the service we offer as well. Of course, you will have access with the Preferred Success program to that community, but we also have a broader SAP community, almost 3 million users where you can go in and discuss procurement related topics. Part of that is also the learning room that we offer in the Learning Hub itself, where you can go in and engage with trainers and other learners and community members about what they're doing and what the best practices are for their organizations in using the SAP procurement solutions. Now, what does this actually mean when it comes to the bottom line, right? What does all this enablement boil down to when it comes to, when it comes down to the numbers themselves? And you can see here that first number, and these are actually specific to SAP procurement customers. So people, the organizations who are using the SAP Ariba solutions, what is enablement doing for them in particular? A 62% improvement across the key performance indicators, the goals that were set out for that solution, 62% improvements. The other numbers that you see here are increases in contracts or sourcing or supplier risk licenses, which is the number of users using the particular solution for that purpose. So the great news about that is that it's additional adoption within the organization to really help maximize your use of the system. I thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure spending some time with you. Again, my name is Kat Knapp, and I hope you have a wonderful time at Sapphire 2021.
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity to speak with you, and have an amazing Sapphire 2021.